Are you ready to transform your life? The power to shape your reality lies within you. The law of attraction isn't just a concept, it's a living force that you can harness to manifest your deepest desires. Imagine being able to create the life you want with just your thoughts and feelings. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's entirely possible, and I'm here to guide you through it. Let's begin by understanding the core principle of the law of attraction: like attracts like. What this means is that the energy you put out into the universe is the energy you will receive in return. If you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you'll attract positive experiences into your life. Conversely, if you dwell on negativity and doubts, that's what you'll draw towards yourself. To effectively use the law of attraction, you need to be clear about what you want. Vague desires won't yield concrete results. Be specific about your goals. If you wish to improve your financial situation, visualize not just having money, but having a specific amount and how it feels to have that amount in your bank account. This clarity will help the universe align with your intentions. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. Picture yourself living your desired reality as vividly as possible. Assume the sights, sounds, and emotions that accompany your dreams. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your goals. It's like setting a GPS for your desires. The clearer the destination, the easier it is to get there. Affirmations also play a crucial role in manifesting your desires. These are positive statements that affirm your goals as if they have already been achieved. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I am successful." This shift in phrasing helps to align your beliefs with your goals. Repeat these affirmations daily, especially in moments of calm and stillness, to reinforce your intentions. Feelings are just as important as thoughts. When you engage in visualization or affirmations, immerse yourself in the emotions associated with your desires. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if you've already achieved your goals. This emotional alignment sends a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive what you seek. It's essential to maintain a positive mindset, even when faced with challenges. Obstacles are not signs of failure but opportunities for growth and refinement. Keep your focus on your goals and remind yourself that setbacks are just detours on the path to success. Your persistence and unwavering belief will eventually lead you to your desired outcome. Gratitude is a powerful attractor. By regularly acknowledging and appreciating what you already have, you create a vibrational match for receiving more. Start a gratitude journal and list things you are thankful for daily. This practice not only enhances your mood but also aligns you with the frequency of abundance. Another key aspect is letting go of the how. The universe has its own way of orchestrating events, and sometimes it's not apparent how your desires will manifest. Trust that things are working out in your favor, even if you can't see the details. Focus on your vision and take inspired action when opportunities arise. Inspired action is a critical component of manifestation. This isn't about forcing things to happen but rather acting on the intuitive nudges you receive. When you feel a strong impulse to pursue a particular path or opportunity, follow it. These actions are often the universe's way of guiding you towards your goals. Maintaining faith and patience is crucial in this process. Manifestation isn't always instantaneous. It requires trust and the understanding that everything unfolds in its own time. Stay committed to your vision and keep your energy aligned with your desires, even when results seem slow to appear. Surround yourself with positive influences. The energy of those around you can impact your own. Engage with people who uplift and support you in your journey. Their positivity will reinforce your own belief in the law of attraction and help you maintain a high vibrational frequency. You are the creator of your reality. Your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings shape the world around you. By consciously directing these elements towards your desires, you harness the power of the law of attraction to manifest the life you envision. Think of this power and use it wisely, knowing that you are always in control of your destiny. As you get deeper into the practice of manifesting your desires, it's important to explore the nuances of alignment and synchronicity. One key aspect is understanding the role of your internal dialogue. Often, the beliefs and conversations you have with yourself shape your reality in profound ways. Pay attention to the narratives you create in your mind about yourself and your life. Are they supportive and positive, or do they reflect doubt and limitation? By shifting your internal dialogue to affirmations of success, abundance, and capability, you align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires, creating a more harmonious path to manifestation. Another crucial element is the concept of energy frequency. Everything in the universe vibrates at a certain frequency, and this includes your thoughts and emotions. To attract what you want, you must elevate your own energy to match the frequency of your desires. This means cultivating feelings of joy, love, and excitement, which are higher vibrational states. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and listening to uplifting music can help you raise your vibration and keep it aligned with your goals. Consider the practice of mindfulness as a tool for enhancing your manifestation process. By staying present and fully engaged in each moment, you create a state of openness and receptivity. Mindfulness helps you observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing you to shift any negative patterns and stay focused on your desired outcomes. This heightened awareness can also help you recognize and seize opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's also valuable to explore the concept of self-worth. Sometimes, our ability to manifest our desires is hindered by deep-seated beliefs about our own value and deservingness. If you find yourself struggling to achieve your goals, examine any underlying beliefs about self-worth and work on transforming them. Affirming your inherent worthiness and thinking about the belief that you deserve all the good things life has to offer can significantly impact your ability to manifest your desires. Networking and building connections with like-minded individuals can further enhance your manifestation journey. Engaging with people who share similar goals and aspirations creates a supportive environment that fosters growth and inspiration. These connections can provide encouragement, new perspectives, and even opportunities that align with your desires. Surround yourself with a network of individuals who uplift and motivate you, and be open to collaborating and sharing experiences. The practice of surrendering is another important aspect of manifestation. While it's essential to be clear about what you want and take inspired action, it's equally important to release attachment to specific outcomes. Trust the process and the timing of the universe, allowing things to unfold naturally. This doesn't mean giving up on your desires, but rather, letting go of the need to control every detail. By surrendering, you create space for unexpected and often better opportunities to emerge. Reflecting on your progress regularly can also be beneficial. Take time to review your goals, assess your growth, and make any necessary adjustments. This reflection helps you stay aligned with your intentions and adapt your strategies as needed. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as they reinforce your belief in the manifestation process and keep you motivated. The law of attraction is a dynamic and ongoing practice. It's not just about setting goals and waiting for them to materialize, it's about continuously aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired outcomes. Stay engaged in the process, remain adaptable, and keep your energy focused on what you want to create. With consistent effort and a positive mindset, you will harness the full power of the law of attraction to bring your dreams to fruition. As we wrap up this exploration of the law of attraction, it's clear that the path to manifesting your desires involves much more than mere wishing. It requires a focused, intentional approach that harmonizes your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the goals you wish to achieve. By understanding and applying the principles of attraction, you gain the tools needed to shape your reality actively. Your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings play a crucial role in this process. Cultivating a positive mindset, maintaining clarity about your goals, and engaging in practices like visualization and affirmation are key strategies to guide you toward success. Every step you take in aligning your energy with your desires is a step toward realizing your dreams. It's about creating a mindset that not only attracts positive outcomes but also prepares you to recognize and seize opportunities when they arise. Keeping your focus sharp and your intentions clear helps direct the universal forces to work in your favor. Engaging in daily practices that reinforce your goals, such as gratitude and mindfulness, further strengthens your connection to the abundance you seek. The journey of manifestation is continuous, involving ongoing adjustment and reflection. Regularly revisiting your goals, celebrating progress, and staying adaptable are essential components of maintaining momentum. Trusting the process and remaining open to the flow of opportunities, even when they deviate from your initial expectations, ensures that you remain aligned with your higher purpose. Now, if you found this guidance helpful and you want more insights into unlocking your potential and creating the life you've always dreamed of, please take a moment to support this channel. Your likes and subscriptions help us continue bringing valuable content to you. Here's how you can support us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Your feedback is invaluable and encourages us to keep creating. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest content that will help you manifest your dreams effectively. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps spread knowledge and positivity. By following these simple actions, you not only support our work but also continue your own journey toward achieving your desires. Together, we can explore and harness the full power of the law of attraction, transforming our lives and reaching new heights of fulfillment.